Hey guys, this is Nina. I've got Ninja here. He's going to be my model today. I wanted to show you guys some work that I'm going to do on the ischial tuberosity. So that's basically that sit bone that you can feel. So if you've got someone sitting on your lap and you say, oh, they've got a really bony bum, that's that ischial tuberosity that you can feel. So right here, that's where it is. And this is where all your hamstring muscles, so the 3 hamstring muscles all come up and they connect right onto there. So this can be a spot that's pretty easy, or it's quite prone to tears and things. So I'm just sitting my elbow in there, pushing in. How's that feeling, Nin?
Yeah, he's good. So he can go in deeper.
And our technique is to just sink in nice and slow.
That's good.
Changing angles slowly.
Yep.
So I'm right like on that tendon, where that tendon connects onto the bone.
Feels therapeutic.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. You just know it's good for you. Going to be better in the future. Yeah, and the pace just gives me a chance to acclimatise and accept and let you in to that deeper level where it's going to be more beneficial.
So someone who did have something going on here probably wouldn't be going as deep as I am now. Probably start off a bit lighter because they'd really be feeling it.
Yeah, but you do progress to a deeper level after all the blood gets into the area and some endorphins and stuff like that. And yeah, the most important thing is just tuning in to the sensations that they do feel like they're beneficial. We know good pain up against trauma and damage. They're different things.
Yeah.
For interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now, thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
Go a little bit deeper. How's that feeling, that pressure?
Yeah, good. I can handle it. It feels good. Get your muscles going, Nina.
Yep.
Yeah, you're getting stronger.
Strength training.
Yeah, it's strength training, isn't it?
I'm just using my body weight.
Yeah, feels really good.
So I can move a little bit lower. So more where the muscle connects onto the tendon. How's it feeling there?
Yeah, good. So when you look at the anatomy of the hamstring too, like there's attachment onto the bone nearly all the way down as well. So that's where we want to get into that real deep level so that we can affect the tendon on the bone where all the stress accumulates, micro tears and things like that because of the loading when we're kind of bringing our body across, the ground. When we're connecting with the ground, there's lots of pressure onto our hamstrings, especially when we're running and going upstairs and things.
Yep. So now I'm using my thumbs, so I can probably go even deeper with thumbs. Changing tools. How's that feeling?
Yeah, I'm handling it pretty easily. It's good. Nice and slow, so it gives me a chance to let you in, do what you need to do.
Changing angles.
That's it.
Staying nice and close to the bone.
Yeah. Bang for buck, isn't it?
Yep.
It's where it's necessary to make the changes. Yeah, it feels so good. really therapeutic.
If someone had anything in the belly of the muscles, you could also go down and do some myofascial tension release. If you needed to shorten the muscle, bringing this one to encourage the shortening. Coming down nice and slow. And then also on the inner ones as well. So semi-membranosus, semi-tendinosus.
Come to you for anatomy advice, can't I, Nina? Help me out.
That's it for today, guys.
Oh, come
Enjoyed
on.
that.
No, more.
What else do you
Come
want?
on, you gotta
got
do the-
nothing in there. What do you
Come
want?
on, do the bottom of the glute now.
Okay.
You're trying to get out of it. We're doing an ischial tuberosity video.
Issue to
You only just, yeah,
All right,
you introduced it at the start.
We've got glutes.
Yeah, come on, you're trying to get out of this. Come on, let's go.
So we've got some, so your deeper glute muscles right in here. So they're connecting like that. So we can come around the other side.
Yeah, in there, mate.
How's that feel there?
Good. So, Nina, this is overlooked quite often when
Okay.
people have got high hamstring stuff, because it's the same bone, but there's fascial continuum that goes into these lower glute. Yeah, just there.
We've got something.
So, yeah, I've had this.
Yeah, so for all you know, it might have nothing to do with hammy. It could be glute.
Yes.
stuff.
Got to explore it to actually know. We don't know until we push into things what's going on. So we can, even if there's nothing in here, at least we've kind of worked that out. You know, we've got that information that it's not necessarily involved. But yeah, a lot of times, yeah, you can kind of have some ripple-on effects, some tightening in here. And that whole region is affected, the hamstring region is affected because of the lower glutes being bound up. That's it.
Use a support hand.
That's it. It's good. So what are some of the names of these deep glute muscles, Nina?
Oh, we've got
Glomerulus,
gemellus, obturator. There's a couple.
obturator internus,
Obturator externus.
externus, maybe. Yeah. Just go with those two.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, that feels so good. Like that's just sort of pinning a nerve that's trapped in there. You know, the people at home, yes, I need that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. That's it. That's it.
So if that was sore, I guess you could come onto the femur and check the other end.
Muscles as well.
How's that feeling there? Anything? You're all good.
So, if you want a thorough assessment, thorough treatment, who do we call? Call Nina.
Me.
Call Nina. Nina will sort you out.
Yeah.
So,
Am I allowed to end my video? Or?
yeah, you can.
Alright, that's it guys. We've got permission to finish. I hope you enjoyed that, learnt a little bit, and yeah, catch you later.
Get it done.